So we did actually have some success with our social trading. I will show you which ones I have had success copying and which step we're going to take on adding more people. And if you want to follow me on this journey, you are free to do so. So if you have an account with Pocket Option from before, you can just copy me right away if you want to. But I have a tips for you. You can actually just withdraw your money, close down your account, reopen with my link, and whatever you have in the account, you can get 50% extra as long as it's more than $100, of course. Otherwise, if you don't have account, just use also the first link below the video. Once again, if you have more than $100, it's good because then you get 50% extra. Okay. And lastly, and I'm sorry for all this into, I know you want to see the social trading, we will get to it. Also, if you want to copy my trades, you can do so with the second link below the video. Okay, I know this was a boring start, but I need to go through it. This is the way I make money. Because yes, when you use my link, I get a small kickback. You get a kickback and I get a kickback. So we both win. Okay, so now let's take a look here. First of all, let's go over and look at the last trades. We can see we won some, lost some, but all over we actually made profit with a few of them. So let's go to this stuff. You see I did stop it because I did show in the last video how to withdraw money, so I did not want to interrupt and make so we have a difficulty to follow. Now we remember it's 53,667. Let's just turn on at least these two. They did decent. Let's see how they did lately. They are still doing good. So let's copy this one here. Let's push copy. Let me go back again. Let me go back. Let's take all time. Max trade 160. Do you know what? Let's take 30% of his trading. 30%. Stop balance, I think it's always nice to put a stop balance. We see we have, I think I put stop balance this time around at 52,000. Just as a security measure. Mean copy balance, we don't care, we can take $1 max. Let's put a max here, let's put max at 500. If you go over than that, we are not interested to copy you. And then let's confirm. We are copying this trader. Now let's take this one also. He lost money today. Good, we didn't copy him. Let's put all time. All time he is in minus, but for some reason we had success with him, so let's give him a chance. Let's see if he learned from his mistakes. But let's take just 20% of him, as we see he is not so accurate. Stop balance, we do the same, 52,000. Mean copy balance, we don't need that. Max, let's be careful with him. Let's take 350 as a max. Let's confirm that. We are now copying him. This one here. Have he been trading anything lately? Wow, okay, we are not going to copy him. That would be a huge mistake. Now let's see if we find a couple of more. This one here, we see it done quite a lot of trades. Let's see how many he done today. Okay, he did many today. I don't like when I see when I see something like this, I prefer that he do like 10, 20 trades a day, because then I know it's accurate. If you start to do too many trades in a day, people do mistakes. I don't like it. So I'm looking for number of trades in a day, like 10, 20, and that they have done that for a while. That shows me that they're good. So that's basically what I'm looking for. So here, 117, I feel it's much. Let's see all time. Okay, but you see, what I told you, minus 22,000. They can say he's a guru level, but I don't call this a guru. So no, we're not copying this one here. That's it. That's the thing. It's difficult to find people to copy because you see, here is the reality. We need basically probably like 2-3% of the people we find here are profitable. So it takes some time to find these people, but when you find them, you can just relax and they do the job for us. So that's why it's important to look all the information you can. This one here, for example, he interests me. He had done 5,257. He is profitable. You can see he was profitable yesterday. He's profitable today. This is one I obviously want to copy. Let's take all time. Let's see. Max trade is 1,000. Okay. Then we push copy. With him, I think we can do 30%. Stop balance, as always, 52,000. Mean copy we don't have. Max copy, let's put it to 500 on him. There. Then we are copying 3 people. So there will be an update video tomorrow. I will keep to once a day. Some days I done more than one. I think that is working against us. The YouTube algorithm do not like it. I like to make many videos, but I see that my views don't get that much. So if you are interested, if you think this is cool to see how you can do by copying people, to investigate and find the best people, and you can follow me on this journey, well, how you can support me, you can share this video with your friends, like the video of course, subscribe to my channel, that's the minimum, and of course comment if you're copying me, and tell me just how you're doing also. Any topic, I appreciate you. So that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.